forecast this 5 p.m. near to 6. So this day, December 5, we have spotted a new LPA or Invest near Mindanao, 1,000 to 2,000 kilometers. So we're gonna find out the update on that Invest. But before that, we're gonna know about our weather forecast for tomorrow until tomorrow. So the northeast monsoon is affecting extreme north Luzon, which may trigger light to moderate rains over the areas of Batanes and Babuyan Group of Islands. Then the areas of easterlies or eastern section of the country affecting by easterlies. So other areas in the Philippines will experience isolated rain showers or thunderstorm, especially for the areas in the eastern section. So cloudy skies, I said cloudy skies with light to moderate rains, especially over the Cagayan Valley region, and isolated rain showers or thunderstorm over the Cordillera and Ilocos, and partly cloudy to cloudy skies with scattered, isolated, and thunderstorms over the rest of the country, especially the eastern section. So this is the Windy TV wind map. According to this forecast, we will monitor that the Invest 90W or the low pressure area near Mindanao will have a chance to develop into a tropical cyclone. So this is the first model, the global forecasting model. So we're gonna find out if this low Invest will become a new cyclone. So according to the Invest, so according to the model, tomorrow it could still be a Invest or a low pressure area. In Wednesday, it will be continue to intensify, reorganize its cyclone. So according to this, we have 24 to 25 knots, and will become a official tropical depression with 20 knots, especially after 3 days of forecast, 78 hours. So every forecast increasing date is affecting the accuracy. So according to this, we have possible that this Invest will turn into a tropical cyclone. In Friday, it will intensify or maybe rapid intensification with 44 knots. So equivalent to 44 knots is about 60 to 70 kilometers per hour near the center. So we're gonna use the kilometers per hour to find out the very details. So 75 and 79 kilometers may be a tropical storm category according to Pag-asa if this cyclone will be upgraded. In Saturday weekend, it will continue to enter the Philippine air responsibility, the eastern border PAR, but it will continue to intensify into severe tropical storm in November 10. Sunday, it will continue to intensify again. It's a repeat intensification after 1 day to be a typhoon category, 154 kilometers. This is only output of the model, so it will be updated every 6 hours. In 12, Monday, so according to this model, it will never landfall or had no landfall activity. So it will continue to recurve or enter the Philippine air responsibility and never make landfall in any part of the country. That's a good news, but this storm is stronger with winds of 207 kilometers per hour. This is a stronger storm. We will measure it. So the pressure of this storm is below 977 high pressure. So about this, we're gonna find out that this storm is 217 kilometers. This is very very predictable that this storm is gonna be stronger. But it will continue to monitor in November 13. It will move northward. It's still 200 kilometers, maintaining its strength, but it will meet the will continue to move northward according to this forecast model. So we're gonna find out that this we have now facts that this storm will be a tropical cyclone, but this is only a GFS model, so we have several models to watch. So we will inform you if there is something change. But this storm, this invest could be a disaster. So it looks like 216 kilometers. So I think this is a stronger storm, but good news, no effect or no landfall in any parts of the country. So we will update you if that will happen. I hope we have no tropical cyclone because almost Christmas, 20 days left. And I hope you enjoyed this. And this is the latest satellite image of Himawari 8 by West Pacific in NOAA's website. Okay guys, and this is the daily weather forecast for today, 5 p.m. November 5, 2016. We have Christmas, almost Christmas, 20 days, almost 3 weeks left. Our Christmas is Sunday, so the day is Monday. So thank you guys, this is the update from the Typhoon Watch.